Okay, now student, we will discuss about page 133. Okay, before we start 133, one thing we want to say that uh, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter means in the kilo hectodecameter system, 1 centimeter means kilo hectodecameter deci centi milli. That means 10 millimeter. Okay, that means if 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter, then 1 millimeter equals to 0.1 centimeter. Okay, 0.1 centimeter, because we know the system, we know the system that kilo hectodecameter deci centimeter. Okay, if you go to right side, then we multiply by 10, 100, 1000 like this, and if you go to left side, that means millimeter to centimeter, then we divide by 10, then divide by 100, then divide by 1000. Okay, so these things we have to keep in our mind, we have to remember it. Now there is a length we have to find in page 135. Okay, in page 35 is given a question is given, what is the length of this pencil. So one picture is given in the right side, and you have to find the length of the pencil. Okay, so length of the pencil is it is given as 1.5 centimeter. Okay, according to the picture it is 1.5 centimeter, but you have to find in millimeter. Okay, so if you want to find in millimeter, then 1.5 centimeter means we have to multiply by 10, then it will be converted to millimeter. That means it is 15 millimeter. That means it is 15 millimeter. Okay, now what is the length in centimeter? So definitely its length in centimeter, in centimeter its length in centimeter its length is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so according to the book, according to the book it is according to the book it is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, now the some one question just below question is given there, frog. Okay, there is a written something about frogs. So have you the first question is, have you seen frogs? So if you have seen it, then definitely you remember it, that what is the length, what is the height of the frogs, where how many different types of frogs have you seen. So frogs basically we see in in mud areas or in wetted areas we see frogs. Okay, and basically we see there are two types of frogs we see in our country. Okay, in our continent, in our country, basically two types of frogs are available, we see in our area. Are all the frogs the same length? No, they are not same length. They are not same length. Here are two interesting examples. Now two interesting examples is given. Basically there are two types of frogs we see. One is gold frogs and the other is bullfrog. There are two types of frogs. Number one is gold frogs. Number one is gold frog and another one is bullfrog. Okay, another one is bullfrog. In page 135 you can see number left side is a picture is given. Okay, that is gold frog. That means the color of the frog is golden, that is why it is called gold frog. And another one is bullfrog. Okay, bullfrog, why? Because its vocal cord is little bit like a bladder. Okay, little bit like a bladder, like its vocal cord, that is why it is a bullfrog. That is why it is called bullfrog. It makes sound like a bull, that is why it is called bullfrog. The kind of frog is the smallest in the world. So this type of gold, that means the gold frog, this kind of frog is among the smallest in the world. So this type of frog is smallest. This type of frog is smallest smallest in the world, smallest in the world. Okay, and its length is its length its length is 0.9 centimeter. 0.9 centimeter means it is 9 millimeter. What is its length? Its length is given in our book is 0.9 centimeter. That means we can write it 9 millimeter. But but this is among the biggest frogs. Bullfrog is the biggest frog. Bullfrog is the biggest. Bullfrog is the biggest frog. Bullfrog is the biggest frogs. Okay, and its length is near about 30.5 centimeter. Its length is 30.5 centimeter. Okay, in our guess how many such frogs can sit on your little finger. So the golden frog, the length of golden frog is 0.9 centimeter. So little finger is this finger is a little finger. So what is the length of our little finger? It is near about 4. It is near about 4. Our length of length of little finger, the length of little finger is 4 centimeter. So near about how many little finger, how many golden frogs can sit in our little finger? each each length of golden frog is 0.9. 0.9 means 0.9 centimeter means near about 1 centimeter, and the length of the little finger is how much? 4 centimeter. So how many frog can sit in our little finger? That means four golden frogs. 4 golden frogs, near about approximately 4 golden frogs can sit in our little finger. Okay, understand? Because the length of the little finger is 4 centimeter, length of near about 4 centimeter, and the length of golden frog is 0.9. So approximately we can say 1 centimeter. So how many golden frog can sit in our little finger? Near about 4. Approximately 4 golden frog can sit in our little finger. Okay, so next video we will discuss about the next one. Okay.